I think there are several skills that are very important in our industry. First of all, cultural understanding, understanding that people from different backgrounds and different cultures expect different things from brand, accept different things when they're entering into a luxury environment and into a luxury experience. Then there's also the service to the customer, to understand that some people require more service and some maybe a little less. Some people want more intrusive type of service where they're really taken care of from the start to finish. And others want a service that is a bit lighter, a bit more informal. And so I think having this understanding and being to really see the nuances of service is something that you can only learn if you're really in the practical environment of hospitality. I think practice is really what makes the difference because it helps you to get going as soon as you arrive in a company. If you arrive with a purely theoretical background, it'll take some time for you to get going, to understand how the consumer works, how the work world works. But if you've already been in a company and then you also have this theoretical background, it helps you be much quicker in entering a company and really entering the workforce and being operational from day one.